All right, back for the final application. We ran into some problems, namely bird shit killed us last time we were out here. So we're back at it. Resurfaced everything again. Roof, all the stuff. Now we got it fogged up, fresh PRP red on it. Getting ready to hit up the full clear. We're gonna clear coat all of this right now. And hopefully we'll be back to a beautiful hemisphere shortly. Oh, the mirrors are gonna be blacked now. Some other things coming too. We got the new front nose, the late model SRT nose that's going on here because this nose has got some damage and it's never been perfect ever since I got the car. Now I do love the original SRT nose because it's unique. It doesn't look like it belongs on an S model or, just any generic 300. It's unique to the SRT, which is a unique 3-year only model. And I like that, but the new SRT nose is going on. And this car will probably not be readily noticeable as a 2012 anymore. Once that happens, it will be hard to tell what's in here. And with my Apache logo on the side for the Apache 392, I still get people coming up to me asking me if I swapped it out with a Hellcat. No, I did not. No, I don't plan to. The 392 to me is just fine. All it needs is a little boost, and we can handle that later. But short term, it's still a stock 392 with 10,000 miles on it. And it's wonderful. It's easy to maintain. No worries. No heat problems. No worried about a supercharger blowing up on me. And we're going to go with a Pro Charger when it's time. But right now, hey, it's not the fastest thing on the road anymore. So we can just keep it nice and capable. It's not winning any drag races. It's not winning any street takeovers. I'm not doing donuts. But it does look good. And at any car show, it should be able to hang. That's what we want. All right. Let's get it cracking. This is all outside. All outside. We doing this some kind of style. But anyway, excuse me. Wow! It's like that shit forces it down. Wow. Jeez. Damn, boy. You do that color sand on this, that's gonna be a wrap. Here I come.
Make it look like what we was doing last time we was playing.
Playing. And watch this, watch the plastic. I gotta tape down this plastic that's coming up.
Okay.
It's getting ready to lay it back on this. That's how we do that shit. Damn, dog.
See one hit it. You see it?
Yep, where the bird shit hit us the last time.
Yeah.
Color sand that?
Yeah, we can go sand.
It'll thick it up. Oh, gotta come back here to the roof again. Left roof too. Damn, dog.
There's a whole other level on.
Oh my God. What is that?
This is one.
Where'd that come from?
The hose.
Oh, okay. Color sand that too?
Yeah.
All right. Damn, no.
We're gonna clear to it. The goal is to clear until we got enough to reach.
Damn, you're barely even halfway down. In the gun.
That's what I was looking at. I was like, shit, is that the duck? I mean, is that too much? We ain't even got plastic yet.
Huh?
I think we ain't even got plastic yet.
Damn. Whew, shit. My God.
I don't mind it being dirty. should be doing outdoors anyway.
I'm saying. I like the way the guns kind of just pushes it down and flattens it instead of laying it down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gonna be. Oh God. Huh? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. God. Oh. Ain't even no real sunlight out here, but man, it's coming through. Yeah, she dirty, but man, did everything come out beautifully. And we're gonna color sand this in 2 weeks, and got a little drippage, few little blemishes here and there, but I mean, the clear is laid, and we just gonna color sand it in a couple weeks, and she will be back. Back. I'm driving home now dirty. I'm not gonna put the mirrors back on yet because I'm gonna put new turn signals on this thing. My turn signals have shit the bed. Look at that. Let's look at this side. That's it. Time to go. But anyway, yeah. Well, I guess we can make this into a tutorial how to change these. Look, if you got turn signal mirrors, you want to change it out. Now, we showed you how basically you just pull off the face. The colored part comes off like this, straight back. It's just got a few clips that it clips into. Just work it back. It'll eventually break free and you won't break anything. Then when it's time to change this out, you have to take that off first. Now, my car, this is the wire for the turn signals. That's the connector. So all you need to do, hit this with the Torx, I think it's a Torx 20. Don't know what it is. That screw frees up the whole turn signal. Turn signal comes out, and it'll bring this wire with it. That's where you connect the new clip. You good. That's all it takes to it. I didn't know my turn signals were that bad. But yeah, it's time to go. Got some new ones coming. They'll be here Saturday, and I'll show you the install again. Anyway, I'm tired now. I'm about to go park this in the garage and not touch it for a couple days. Let it harden up, let it rock up, and then we'll clean it because it's you get all that drippage when you're doing sanding and wet sanding and all that good shit. So yeah, you can see her dirty right now, but it's not gonna be that way for long. And like I said, got the new front nose on. Well, not yet, but the new front nose is coming. I gotta cut out the little parking sensors because I got the safety tech package on this car. In 2012, safety tech package gave you adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and the rear fog lights came with the safety tech package. A lot of y'all don't know about that. I've done a few videos on that. But anyway, for now, that's it. I'm about to go on and get some of that Starbird and call it a day. Goodbye.